Hi, Ryan Murphy from Guitar Lessons with Ryan, and welcome back for another lesson. Today we're going to go over an awesome song called Harmour Love, so let's zoom on in for a close-up and get started. Alright, so for this song we're going to have a capo on the 5th fret. If you don't have a capo, that's fine, it's just going to sound lower in pitch. Now we're going to get started with the chords. There's only 3 chords in this song, it's super easy. If you're proficient in chord chart reading, you could skip on ahead where I go over the song structure, but otherwise we're going to start on a D major chord. This one is open on the 4th string, 1st finger, 2nd fret on the 3rd string. You put your 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the 1st string, and 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Strum those 4 strings. Now from there to the A7 chord, all we're going to do is lift off the 3rd finger, move both the 1st and 2nd fingers up 1 string each, and strum from the 5th string. And the 3rd and final chord is the G major chord. Now I'm going to use the 4-finger variation on this one. It's going to be 2nd finger, 3rd fret of the 6th string, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 5th string, open on the 4th, open on the 3rd, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and 4th finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Now the reason I'm using the 4-finger rather than the 3-finger G chord is it makes the switch back to the D chord easier because you can leave that 3rd finger down. Alright, moving right along to the strum pattern. Now, this is the basic strum pattern I'm going to use for the beginning, and I'm going to do a variation on it as I'm playing the song. It's just a lot easier to sing and play when you don't have to worry about all the palm mute strums, like so. So this one, we're going to have a downstroke on beat 1. On beat 2, we're going to mute with the right hand and strum simultaneously, like so. So it'll be downstroke on 1, muted strum on beat 2, and then on the and of 2, like that. And then on beat 3, another down strum, a mute on beat 4, and we're going to switch to the next chord, do an upstroke on the and of 4, a mute on 1, upstroke on the and of 1, mute on 2, upstroke on the and of 2, and then downstroke on 3, upstroke on the and of 3, downstroke on 4. So very slowly, let me demonstrate that. We're going to be going from a D to a G, but you know what? I'm going to just stick on the D chord just for demonstration purposes. So we have a downstroke, mute, up, down, mute, up, mute, up, mute, up, down, up, down. 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now let me show you what it sounds like in the context of the song, going from a D chord to a G chord. Alright, as I said, this is the strum pattern I use for the introduction of the song. When I start with the vocals, I change it up a little bit. I don't do as many muted strums for that part as I'm singing, just to make it a little easier to sing and play. Alright, so for the introduction part, we're going to be going from a D chord to a G chord, back to a D to the A7, using the strum pattern I just showed you, so it'll sound like this. Play that again. D, G, D, A7. Alright, so we're moving on to the verse. This one starts with the D chord. Now, as I'm playing this, a lot of times I don't really do the muted strums as I did for the introduction part. I'm a little more loose with my strumming, and I vary it a little bit as I'm singing and playing. So you can try to follow along, you can make up your own strum pattern, and I'm just looking for a more syncopated strum pattern. So syncopation is when you stress the offbeats. So you can kind of just play around with it, see what sounds right to you, and let's get started with the verse part. I'm going to play the chords and sing a little bit so you see what the structure is like. It's a D, it's a light, it's a G, a sight, it's a D in alright, morning, A7 or night, It's the deep thing in life that you need to buy. And then right here, it's a funny, funny feeling down in your heart. So for that part, I just play the first and second strings. Funny, funny feeling down in your heart. So D, A7. Now you can do all down strums on that part, or you can do a down, up, down, up. Funny, funny feeling down in your heart. All right, so for the next part of the first verse, we're just going to repeat the same thing that we just played. It's a neat, it's a treat, it's a something that's sweet. It's the one thing in life that will never be beat. It's a once, it's inside you, it loses the key. That's that funny, funny feeling now in your heart. All right, now before we move on, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know if there's any songs that you would like me to cover in a future lesson. All right, now we move on to the chorus part. This one starts on the G, and it's the part, it's a love. So we're gonna go, it's a love, it's a D, it's a G, and then we're gonna go, it's a funny, funny feeling down in your heart. So it's very similar to the end of each of the verse parts. And for the second half of the chorus, we're gonna go from the D chord, let it in, G, to your heart and your D, it's funny, A7, let it in, D, into a G, and together we'll D, A7, D, let it in, G, for the beat of your heart, we'll keep the rhythm, let it smile on the outside and sing in Harmour Love. Now we're going back to the introduction part. And as you noticed, I did a lot of the muted strums for that part. All right, so now we're going to move on to the next verse, and this is the exact same chord progression as the first verse. So it sounds like this. It's a pin, it's a friend, it's a how have you been, it's a I'm looking forward to see you again, it's a laugh, it's a grin, it's a let it begin, with that funny, funny feeling down in your heart. It's a walk through the park, it's a kiss in the dark, it's a vow made by two that they never will part. It's a spark that you feel from the moment it starts, known as that funny, funny feeling down in your heart. All right, so now we're on the final chorus, and this one goes to the G chord. It's love, it's a love, it's a love, it's the funny, funny feeling down in your heart. Let it in to your heart and you'll feel this funny feeling. Let it in and together we'll join in Harmour Love. Let it in for the beat of your heart, we'll keep the rhythm. Let it smile on the outside and sing in Harmour Love. Now we're going to repeat this last section and fade. Let it in to your heart and you'll feel this funny feeling. Let it in and together we'll join in Harmour Love. Let it in for the beat of your heart, we'll keep the rhythm. Let it smile on the outside and sing in Harmour Love. And like I said, you can just repeat it and fade, or if you want to, you can end on a D chord. All right, that's all there is to it for this song. And don't forget to head over to my Patreon for an exclusive song sheet PDF that you can print out and use to practice this song. In addition to that, you'll have access to all the other songs that I teach on YouTube, as well as the ability to vote on which songs I teach in future lessons. All right, that's all we have time for today. Thanks again, have fun, and I'll see you next time.